how to start trading with FundedNext and save money on fees. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how to start trading with FundedNext and save money. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below that you can use to sign up onto FundedNext. You will also find a bunch of promo codes and discount codes that you can use and save on fees. So let's get into it. So to get started, you have to sign up, all right? It's pretty simple and it's easy. FundedNext offers a variety of different accounts that you can use, and then you should be good to go. They offer up to 300k in simulated accounts that you can use to complete different challenges, and once you've completed those challenges, you will be offered a FundedNext account. So click on Start Challenge over here. You can even go ahead and get started with the free plan, but yeah, come over here. And then here you can select the account side. So you have various different accounts that you can select. You have the 6k, the 15k, the 25k, and the 50k. Select whichever one you want. Each account will have different options and basically have different caps. They're run basically the same, but the only main difference is the performance rewards, the profit phase, and the maximum loss limit. Right, these are the few things that are different, and other than that they're mostly the same. So for example, here you can see we have the performance reward. So if you reach the daily performance reward within that funded trading cycle, if you manage to meet the 10% growth targets which are required, you will be able to get the 15% bonus rewards. Right, so here you can see you have $117 in the performance book as a performance reward. You got 292 in the 15k, 400 in the 25k, and almost $1,000 in the 50k. So if you manage to get into that 10%, then you will be able to get up to $975 in performance rewards alone. And then here are the two profit phases. You've got phase 1 and phase 2. This is 8% and this is 5%. All right, so here you can see traders need to gain the specific profit targets to reach the next phase within an unlimited time frame. And if you manage to get this one, which is around 5%, then traders need to gain specific profit targets. If you manage to get this one, then you will be able to get the FundedNext account within an unlimited time frame, which is pretty cool. You have a maximum loss limit, which is around $600. In the basic one, you can see you have $1,500 in the second one, $2,500 in the third, and up to $5,000 in the last one. Then you have your daily loss limit over here. You'll also have performance reward up to 95% in all of them. You have the minimum trading days, which is 5 days, and the first withdrawal is within 21 days. So after 21 days, you will be eligible to get the draws. All right, so it's as simple as that. And you can select whichever plan you want to get started. You can even use the free trial option as well. Then you can select the account. Right, let's go ahead and select the account. Click on Get Started. Add your email address, and then it's going to ask you to enter in your first name, your last name, your gender, all these details, and then you should be good to go. They'll send you a one-time passcode that you just have to enter in order to get started, and you should be good to go. Then you can click on Start Challenge and get started. And after verifying your account, you should be good to go. Then you can go ahead and get started with it. You have your active funds over here. You have your trial over here. You have your inactives over here, reach over here. You can click on dashboard to view your dashboard. You can see over here you have your equity, you have your trading cycle, your account, your login, everything available over here. You have your balance, your loss, profits, everything. Then you can just simply go ahead and get started with it. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.